Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. So it seems like we're doing what I was expecting us to do. And if you remember, some of the information that I gave you was from this chart that when a coin starts accumulation and a break, there could be a throwback, and then when you move up, you start a reaccumulation zone. So to me, it does look like reaccumulation is happening at the moment. We might see something like this: push up, push down, push up, and then finally we start to see Pepe moving up once again. So you can actually see that we got one red here and we got another green here. We're having another red right there. So it's actually a good sign, okay? It's a good sign of reaccumulation, which is needed at this point. So the fact that you have a move like this, and if you make reaccumulation and a flag here, you could actually go really even further high to the upside, okay? So we're talking about, let's actually say in the next coming few days, right? We do something like this, boom, and we do something like this, boom, like that, okay? And then we print in a pennant, then you may actually expect a push from top here to the bottom, and we could actually be looking at Pepe to actually continue higher to 12,531, which actually offers a very big move for 81% further push to the upside, right? So a lot of people, I think they're going to start to open up short position and think that everything is going to go down. But we open short position if the chart allows you to do that. You open up long position if the chart is actually allowing you to do that as well. So let's go into the 4-hour time frame and let's check what we're doing right over here. So it does actually look like some sort of a double top, but I actually kind of think that this may be a bet pattern, which I'm going to talk about later on after we get a little bit of confirmation, because there's a difference between double tops and also difference between a bet pattern. Now, bet pattern does actually look like a double top, but if it's actually a bad pattern, a potential one, then it's going to be a bullish pattern, which means continue to go to the upside. So we still need a few more days to actually confirm something that happens right over here. If it actually becomes a double top, we're going to talk about it. If it actually become a bad pattern, we will talk about it. If it turns to be a pennant on the daily, we will talk about this one as well. We need some few more candles. It's actually very hard to say anything. Honestly, there's no sign of coming down either, and at least there is no sign of continuing to push to the upside either. We still need to know from these candles what comes up next. Now, here we are, and I'm actually giving a free coin away for totally free because I've actually been speaking about this for some time now, and I'm going to talk about it because there's only one coin that is left in the whole bear market which potentially didn't move and can actually move. It's actually down. So Pepe did this and pushed up. ICP did this and pushed, and then Bonk did that and actually pushed. Dodge did it and then it pushed up. We saw SHIB as well moving sideways before it actually pushed, and then this coin right over here still sideways waiting for that climb to the upside. Just get it for free, come down, click on Discord and click on the announcement and message me on my name, and that's pretty much it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.